Hey guys, today I want to show you another tutorial that I created. It's Love Birds Kissing. The colors I used are Revlon's Sweet Tart, Orly's Gumdrop, Sally Hansen Blackout, and Art Deco Yellow. And I'm using a dotting tool I got from Sally's. First I'm going to use Sweet Tart, and I'm going to dab a little into a paper plate just to get ready. I've already put the gumdrop on my finger now. Now I'm taking my dotting tool with the Sweet Tart and I'm making a circle for the head and then another circle right beside of it for the other head. Then I'm coming in underneath it and putting another long circle for the body. Then I'm going to come up top and make a little line and another line on the other side for a heart. This color I'll be using is Sally Hansen Blackout, and I'm just going to take a little onto the paper. Dab. Next I'm taking the blackout and I'm going to dab a little circle in the head for an eye. And then another on the other one. Then I'm going to take dotting tool and go down the back for its wings. Then on the other side as well, down the back. And our last color is Art Deco's Yellow. And take a little bit of it and dab it onto the paper. And make a small little beak in between the two heads, like they're kissing. And then you take more of the yellow and put little dots. On both sides. And this is what they look like. Hope you guys like them. Thanks for watching.